Are you looking for the best rolling tool chest? In this video, we will break down the top 4 rolling tool chests on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
At number 1, CRAFTSMAN CMST82762RB. This highly portable steel toolbox is perfect for on-the-go storage, using a durable and lockable design that can fit into almost any vehicle or garage, offering 3 separate drawers and a top section that can be used to hold all kinds of important gear. The black powder coating prevents rust and corrosion damage, while the key-based lock makes it easy to secure your most valuable tools from theft. The relatively low weight of the toolbox, combined with its small size, makes it perfect for transporting tools, but it is also great as a stationary option for smaller homes and garages without much free space. This toolbox can easily fit into a small car or be carried by hand. The lockable design and low weight ensure that this tool chest won't slow you down or leave your tools vulnerable while you are moving from place to place. At number 2, Milwaukee 48228520. Built out of 20-gauge all-welded steel with a powder coat paint finish, this combo set has plenty of durability. The 16 drawers come in 3 sizes and use soft-close ball bearing slides rated to hold up to 100 pounds each. A special computer drawer means you can safely store your laptop while working, while the gas strut-accompanied top lid opens to reveal a pegboard and plenty of working surface. The cabinet has a combination of fixed and swivel polypropylene casters, as well as 3 tubular handles for increased mobility. A 3-barrel locking system rounds out the security on this combo. The handles fold flush and don't count against the width of the cabinet. There have been several shipping issues with this product. In some cases, the 2 units have shipped from different warehouses and were incomplete. At number 3, Grizzly Industrial H0837. If you're looking for a reliable truck toolbox or to expand another storage solution, then this toolbox for you. At 36 pounds, the compact design is the smallest on our list and great if you plan to transport your tools. It's fitted with strong side handles for easy lifting, as well as a lock to keep your tools secure if the chest is left in the back of a truck. It also has a protective mat on the top to keep it free of any scratches. The heavy-duty design features 3 drawers that come complete with ball-bearing slides for seamless opening. The chest is finished in Grizzly green powder coat paint that is at once striking and durable. At number 4, WEN 73015. This is a cleverly designed, durable tool chest that acts as a seat and ideal solution for all your tool storage and organization needs. You can cruise around the shop on this heavy-duty glider that features 4 2.5-inch ball-bearing swivel casters for smooth and easy movement in all directions. This innovative rolling tool chest also comes equipped with 2 foldable magnetic storage trays that will securely hold nuts, bolts, screws, and other tiny accessories that you don't want to lose. An extra absorbent vinyl-protected multi-layered padded seat provides a comfortable spot to take a load off during long projects. Keep your most frequently used tools within easy reach in one of the 16 onboard tool storage slots for added convenience. This tool chest is made from heavy-duty, high-quality steel and features a 350-pound weight limit to easily support most adults.